it will help in women empowerment, because when other women or other girls see us taking leadership roles in military, they would be empowered to join here. They will see them reflected in the Indian military. And I believe that Indian military is already empowered. We are given equal chances here. I never have to fight with that I should be given equal opportunities or anything like that. It is the outside world which needs to be empowered so that they can join here, and that girls could have better life and that we can be represented. The passing out parade goes in the josh of, like, we know that our parents are coming in 5 days. So we are all excited about that. So everyone is very happy to do it, because the whole of the 3 years journey is to that they will come and they'll see us passing the Antim Pag. Yes, they are very happy to come. They are looking forward to come here. Especially my father, he's very excited to come here. They have done shopping and everything, and they've bought good clothes. So I am looking forward to receiving them in 5 days.
I would say that this is a transformative step, different from the historic military setup which was there. Besides the empowerment of women, it also reiterates the very fact that no goal is too hard to achieve for the women of our country. All of us are empowered, all of us are capable. It is just the shine and the spark which we need to engage. Obviously, the doors which were open, which were closed before, inaccessible, they have been opened, and that provides a beautiful platform for all the women of the country to establish our position and move forward with the same rigor. We had the washrooms, we had separate living squadron. It was initially a cornered off squad which we used to live in. Gradually in our 6th term, we were part of the main squads along with our male counterparts, and we used to do the same training regime, same activities along with our male counterparts.
Thank you.